Welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. We got some visitors here out of town, and Sean's here also. They're gonna help me put this hood on. It's Jeremiah and Rudy from Wisconsin, right? Wisconsin.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. You get the front?
I got it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got you.
All right. It's gotta go forward. I need you to lift it a little bit more, Sean. A little bit more. A little bit more. All right. Make sure it's started. Okay, I'm good here. Okay, lift this up a little bit. Pull it this way a little bit. I'll put this down. Come on, baby. Add in a few threads. Okay, that's good. Up. All right. And I don't have any reference marks, so we're gonna have to be careful going up and down. Okay. Get the other way. Goes out. Tighten these up a little bit more. Long bolts. All right, so I got it pretty much all the way forward. Get the kickstand out of the way. You want to watch that side, Jeremiah? Yep. Yep. Good. We're good here.
Yeah, we're good over here.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Wow, that's pretty good for the first time.
And the hinges were off the car, so I just stuck them where I thought they belonged.
Yeah. Wow, that's pretty close. Yeah, not at all. Yeah, I can come over this side a little bit.
So they don't have, it's a Trans Am hood, So there's no. It's a fiberglass hood. They don't have any latches or safety, uh, which a lot of these hoods didn't survive because of that.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, everything was hood then.
right, right. So that, I think we're actually good there. We're good back here. I don't have the rubbers to center it, so you can actually jack it around a little bit. These look good here. Good here. We're good. Let's lift it up again, and I'll tighten up the bolts and go sleep. Yep. Excellent. Yeah, this hood's going to be coming back off here when I find a drivetrain for this.
Yep.
So if anybody got a 6.4 laying around, send me a message and we'll talk about it. Excellent. All right, we're good.
We're good.
Thank you very much.
Oh, no.
Happy New Year's Eve. All right. Starting to look like a car.
Here's the latest update on our B5 Blue 1970 Dodge Challenger. She's got the hood on. Nice TA hood.
Original TA hood.
Original TA hood. In that beautiful flat black. Just goes so nicely. Semi-gloss black. On that beautiful B5 Blue.